So the other way that you can solve cubic equations is by graphing them. And to do this, you just put your equation into Grapher, and our equation is y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. So you type that in, hit enter, and Grapher will graph it for you. And in order to find your possible zeros, you look for the point where the equation intersects with the x-axis. So we have 3 of those points here, which we can see at x equals 1, x equals 2, and x equals 3. So 1, 2, and 3 are all of our possible zeros. Alright, so now we need to check those possible zeros. And in order to do that, we're going to use synthetic division. Synthetic division will use that original equation. So we're going to write it again, which is y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. So to do some synthetic equation, we're going to take all of those numbers and put them in a line. So x cubed is represented by 1. Negative 6x squared becomes negative 6. And then we have 11 and negative 6. And now we're going to check our possible zero of 1. So we put 1 in our box and bring down our first one. And then 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. And negative 6 plus 6 is equal to 0, which means that 1 is a possible zero, is a correct zero because we have no remainder. And now we're going to check 2. So the easiest way is to just continue along with these numbers because we've already proved that 1 is a zero. So 2 goes in the box, and we bring down the 1 again, which means 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 5 plus 2, it gives us a negative 3. Negative 3 times 2 gives us a negative 6. 6 plus negative 6 gives us a remainder of 0, which means that 2 is also a 0 in this equation. Our last one left is 3. So we bring down the 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. So all of those zeros are correct. And our final answer will be x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals 3.